Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the wake up command for Bixby on Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so first we have to go into settings and in the settings scroll down a little bit until we see the advanced features. So let's choose it, and here as you can see on the top we can press the Bixby and voice registration, and here as you can see we have the voice wake up section, and just choose between the three. I'm going to choose the high Bixby, and we are done. If you consider this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.